Hi, I'm Christian from Nexsmart, and in this video I will be walking you through the different methods of how you can add your camera to the app. There are 3 different methods, and I will show you how to identify which method works for your camera. The QR code method is the most widely used method to add your camera. It's quick and simple. To add your camera, go into the app, up in the right corner, a blue plus. Then go to Security and Video Surveillance and click Smart Camera. Then check here and click Next. Here you need to make sure you're connecting to a 2.4 GHz network. If your phone is already connected, it will automatically fill out the Wi-Fi name here. If that's not the case, you can click on the 2 arrows over to the right and manually select your Wi-Fi. Then type in the Wi-Fi password and click Next. Here you'll be presented with the QR code. Here you need to make sure there's no protective film in front of the lens and the infrared LEDs. Then you take your phone and the camera and move back and forth between 10 and 30 centimeters. When your camera makes this sound, or you can see an LED might start flashing or change color. This is the prompt you're looking for, so you click I heard a prompt, and the app will now add the camera. This process usually can take up to 60 seconds. When the camera is added, as you can see here, you can simply click Done, and it will present you with a live view. Ease mode is a simple way to add the camera without having to be right next to it, for example, if it's already mounted. First, you go into your app, click on the blue plus up in the right corner. Then you go to Security and Video Surveillance and click Smart Camera. Then up in the right corner, you see QR code. If you click here, you can change to Ease mode. Then check here and click Next. Here, you need to make sure you're connecting to a 2.4 GHz network. If your phone is already connected to it, it will automatically fill out the Wi-Fi name here. If that's not the case, you can click on the 2 arrows over to the right and manually select your Wi-Fi. Then you type in your password and click Next. Then the phone will search on the router trying to connect. Then the camera will either play a sound, or you can see this LED will change color or start blinking. Then when the camera is added, as you can see here, you can click Done, and you will be presented with a live view. If your camera has a network port, like this one, you can use the cable function. The cable function is for you who doesn't have the Wi-Fi coverage at where the camera is being installed. To start out with, first you connect the camera with the internet cable, like this. Then you connect the other end of your internet cable to your router. To add your camera with the cable function, you go in the app. Up in the right corner, you'll see a blue plus. Then go to Security and Video Surveillance. Click Smart Camera. And up in the right corner, you'll see QR code. If you click there, you're able to change to cable. Then check here and click Next. Here, you have to make sure your phone is connected to the same router as your camera is wired to. If that's the case, you should see the camera like here. Then you click again on the blue plus, and the app will now add the camera. This process usually can take up to 60 seconds.
Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
Either the camera will play a little prompt or a voice command, or you will see a light changing color or start blinking faster. Then you can see in the app the camera has been added successfully. And you can click Done and be presented with a live view. That's all for the process of adding a camera to your app. If one of the methods is causing you an issue, try one of the others if your camera supports it. Thank you for watching. If you're still having issues, go to our website and at the bottom you will find troubleshooting guides where you can find many tips and tricks. See you in the next video.